So guys, welcome to my channel, and first step you have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the driver. Then you can see this is search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard DS2V and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Now you can see this is your motherboard. Just click on it. Just click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. Both installations process same. You just click and so first guys, download the all driver first, and after I'll show you how to install your system is downloaded the file. So first audio, this is audio driver. You just click to download. This is download. When you click to download, it will start download. You can see here, scroll down, chipset, chipset driver, Intel Linux installer, serial driver, and just click to download and click to download. Then LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. VGA driver, Intel graphic card VGA driver, and just click to download. Now you can see this is start downloading all the required driver. So just click to this here, it will open automatically downloaded locations. Now you can see here all downloading. This is one downloading and is downloaded, and I show you how to install it. Let first complete it. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then OK. And then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay. This is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then OK. Then last one. And this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next. And no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.